Hi, grade 5. I'm waiting for the rest of you to join, and then I'll start by taking attendance, and then we'll start with this week's vocabulary words. Okay, so half of the people who were here for the quiz are now in the meeting. If somebody could send a message on your class group to let them know we're going to start. Okay, in 1 minute, guys.
Hi,
Hi, Abdurrahman. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take attendance. Amr.
okay.
Okay, Abdurrahman Khalid. Abdurrahman Amgad.
Here.
Abdurrahman Al-Tanahi.
Yes.
Asir. Hamid. Mamdouh. Okay, Muhannad. Mustafa. Omar.
Here.
Okay, Uday. Shlok. Shlok, are you there? Okay. Salim.
Yeah.
Yasin Hisham. Yasin Sadat. Yasin Sadat, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, Yasin Adwini.
I'm here.
Here.
Yusuf. Zain. Ziad.
I am here.
Okay, Aisel. Habiba.
Here.
Hana Halawa. Hana Sultan. Kenzie. Kenzie, are you there? Okay, Malak. Are you there, Malak?
Here.
Okay, Nurhan. Reem, and Sabine. Okay.
Almost like 80% of the
Miss,
class
I'm
didn't
here.
answer.
Yeah, not 80%, but half of the class is not here. Okay.
Miss, I'm here.
Okay. Right, I'm gonna share my screen. Can everyone see it?
Yeah,
I
Yeah.
don't know why the screen is dark. 1 second, guys.
it's a bit dark. This is
Too
better.
bright. Is that better?
Yes. Thank you.
This is before. Yeah, okay.
Miss, where is the
Yes?
quiz? We will not take it.
Who's asking for the quiz?
Ziad.
Ziad, we took the quiz last session. You should have taken it last session. Our session started at 10:30.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, it said that you joined last session. It wasn't you?
No, it wasn't me.
Strange. So who joined last session?
Was my name?
Your name, yes. Okay, 1 second.
I don't remember.
You don't remember joining, or it wasn't you?
I don't remember because I don't remember.
Unless maybe he fell asleep when he joined the meeting.
Oh, maybe.
All right, sorry guys. All right, can everyone see my screen now?
Yes, miss.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to read the vocab words together. Okay, and go over the definitions. Can I get a volunteer to read the first one? Okay, Tanahi, number 1.
Approximately. The recipe
Miss,
called for approximately 2 cups of oil, so I did not measure exactly.
Okay, the recipe called for, who said miss while he was reading?
it was me.
Yes, Ziad.
Ziad.
Yes,
Miss,
Ziad.
can you send for me the link?
Not now. I don't have the link now, and we're in the middle of another session. Okay?
Okay, can you send it messenger?
No, I cannot. After the meeting, you can send me a message to remind me, and we will discuss you taking your quiz.
Oh, messenger, yes?
Yes, after the meeting.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Miss, can you
Alright.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, dear. Sorry. So what does approximately mean? Okay, it says here, I did not measure exactly. It said approximately 2 cups of oil.
Exactly.
Not exactly. It says I did not measure exactly. So I did not need exactly 2 cups. I needed approximately 2 cups. What do you think approximately means? About, right?
About.
They're so
Yeah.
I need about 2 cups of oil. So if 2 things are approximately the same size, or if we need approximately 2 cups of oil, this means we need nearly 2 cups of oil or about 2 cups of oil. Okay. So it says here, what is an antonym for approximately?
Exactly.
Exactly. Very good. So a synonym means nearly, and the antonym is exactly. Okay, is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Number 2 is, all right, number 2, Habiba.
Yes. Astronomical. The space exhibit including amazing astronomical instrument to study stars.
The space exhibit included amazing astronomical instruments to study stars. What does this word mean, Habiba? What do you think? Astronomical. It comes from the word astronomy, right? So what do you think it means? Relating to?
Having to do with astronomy, the
All
science
right,
of the
that's
sun,
right.
stars, planets,
Excellent.
and other space objects.
Excellent. That's right. So something astronomical relates to outer space, to stars, right? Or it relates to astronomy. Okay. So it says here, besides stars, what are astronomical instruments used to study? And besides stars, what can we see through a telescope, for example? We can also see the planets, right? We can study the different planets. So this is all astronomy. Okay, thanks, Habiba. Yassina Duwaini, number 3. Duwaini, are you there?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yes?
Yes.
Yassine, are you there? Okay. Amr, can you read number 3?
Yes, Miss. Calculation.
Calculation.
Mina did a quick calculation to figure
Calculation.
out if she had enough money for 6 tickets.
Okay, what is a calculation? When do you
So when you
make
do
calculations? In which subject?
math.
Math, that's right. Okay, so when you make a calculation, this means that you use math to find an answer. Okay, this is a calculation. When you use math to find an answer.
It need to be you are using a
Miss,
calculator or no?
can you let Ziad
Not
in?
necessarily a calculator. Can I what?
Miss, I can't hear you in the
Let Ziad
first.
in.
Ziad? I don't have anybody in the waiting room named Ziad.
Again.
Okay, Yassine, you said you lost connection. It's okay. All right, so again, calculation here means when you do math to find an answer. It doesn't necessarily mean calculator. Okay, you don't have to use a calculator. You can write on a paper 3 plus 4 equals 7, right? This is a calculation, okay? So not necessarily with a calculator, but a calculation just means when you use math to find an answer. Okay, Amgad, number 4.
Criteria?
Criteria.
Yes. Criteria. Blood pressure is one of the criteria doctors use for the evaluating for your health.
All right. What is criteria?
It's like another word for examples.
Okay, so I see what you're trying to say. I think you understand it. So when you are evaluating someone's health, or when you are evaluating your health, the doctor will look at several things, right? These are the criteria. The doctor will look at your blood pressure. The doctor will take into consideration your age, your body temperature, right? So this is criteria. Criteria are rules for judging something or for making a decision. So for example, if your body temperature is high and your blood pressure is low or is high, then the doctor might say that you have a certain illness based on this criteria. Okay, so again, criteria means rules for judging something or for making a decision. Okay, is this clear, guys? So several of you probably know someone who was diagnosed with coronavirus. So the doctor uses certain criteria in order to diagnose corona. Okay, so if you are sick, the doctor will tell you to probably make a blood test, all right? And the doctor might tell you to get a chest scan, right? Also to do a PCR, which is the swab where they detect coronavirus or no. So all of these are criteria which is used to diagnose coronavirus, okay? So again, this means what you use to make a decision, okay? Is this clear, guys? Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions about criteria before we move on? Okay. Shlok, can you read the next one? Diameter?
Yes, miss. The large pizza pan has a diameter of 14 inches.
Okay. What is diameter? What does diameter mean?
It's the measure of something.
All right. Not just the measurement, but it is the measurement across the center of a circle. Okay.
Sorry.
When you measure across the center of a circle, this is how you find the diameter. Okay. Diameter is only when we are measuring a circle, okay? So it is the distance from here to here. I'm not sure if my cursor shows for you. Can you guys see my cursor? So it's the distance from here to here, okay? We can measure it from anywhere. We just measure the center, okay? All right, next is evaluate. Zain? Zain, are you there?
Yeah,
Can you read evaluate?
okay.
Miss Hanan,
Yes?
Miss,
Read.
can I take my quiz?
Send me a message after the session.
Okay.
Reading food labels can help you evaluate the natural and the
Nutritional?
nutritional value.
Okay, what does evaluate mean?
I don't know.
Okay, let's look at it together. Reading
Know
food labels
something you
can
know.
help you to something, okay, to know something. Evaluate here means when you examine something closely to understand its value. Okay, this is what evaluate means. Okay, so reading food labels can help you to evaluate the nutritional value. To evaluate if it is good for you, if it is healthy for you. Okay. It says here, what questions might help you evaluate a restaurant? Okay, how do we evaluate a restaurant? So again, what does evaluate mean? Evaluate
By the
means when you
stars and-
examine something closely to decide its value. Okay, how? That's right, like by the number of stars. Okay, so you can look at a rating, right? So you can look at
Yeah.
the restaurant's rating before you decide if you should go or not. If it has a 1 star, then you probably will not want to go to this restaurant, right? You probably evaluate it as, because it has been evaluated as a poor restaurant, right? Maybe the service is not good, maybe the food does not taste good, but evaluate here
Yeah.
means, it means when you examine something and decide if you decide its value, you decide if it is worth it or not, okay? Like hotels, right? Again, you can look at the number of stars before you decide to stay at a specific hotel. All right, this is when you evaluate something. Okay, next is orbit. Yassina Douini?
Yes. Yes. Orbit. It takes a year for the Earth to orbit the Sun and a month for the Moon to orbit the Earth.
All right, it takes a year for the Earth to orbit the Sun and a month for the Moon to orbit the Earth. What does orbit mean? So look in the photo, see how the Earth is orbiting the Sun? What does it mean? Orbit
I think
is,
it means when something that surrounds something.
that's right, very good. So an object that
Or
orbits
circles
something
around something.
circles around, excellent. So an object that orbits something circles around it again and again. Okay. Thank you. Esir, are you there? Can you read the next one?
Spheres. Basketballs, soccer balls, and baseballs are spheres, but footballs are not.
Okay. So here football is referring to not the football that you play in Egypt, but American football. So how is American football shaped differently than basketball, soccer balls, and baseballs? So the first three are spheres. What is a sphere? A sphere is anything that is shaped like a ball or like a globe. Okay, so round and this is a sphere. Okay, shaped like a globe. Okay, shaped like a ball, like a globe. This is what a sphere is. Okay, is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Does anybody have any questions about the vocabulary words?
No,
Miss,
thanks.
I have a question.
Sure.
In the last one, the spheres, the sentence, there's something wrong. It says
What's wrong?
basketballs, soccer balls, and baseballs are the sphere, but footballs are not. How?
What's wrong?
He means the American football.
So I just said, Amr, I don't know if you heard me. I said that here it's referring to American football.
Soccer is different than
American
football.
football, it's this one. Do you see it here?
Yes, yes.
Yeah? Okay, so this is
Soccer-
not shaped like a sphere. Okay? Soccer and football are two different things here. Okay, soccer is what you call football in Egypt, but football here refers to American
I
football.
thought football. I thought it's football that we play, not the football, the American
Yeah.
football.
Okay, so here,
Okay.
and so in America, they call the football that you play soccer. Okay?
Okay.
All right, any questions, guys?
No,
Thanks.
thank you.
Okay, so let's move on. This week, again, we are doing expository text. Okay, but we have some new features that we're going to discuss.
Miss, we will not have a tall tale story.
You want another tall tale?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe in Unit 6, I'm not sure. Okay, so what are the features of expository text? What is the main feature of expository text?
Gives
Is it fiction or
information
nonfiction?
about the topic.
Non-fiction.
Nonfiction, okay.
Gives,
So it is a nonfiction text.
and it gives new
information
and it
about the
gives
topic.
new
It gives
information.
about gives us-
something.
Excellent.
Gives information about an idea.
Okay, information based on what?
Have caption. Had photos and
Facts?
captions, yes.
Okay, all
Based
right.
on a topic.
Photos and captions.
That's right. Okay, guys. So an expository text is a nonfiction text that presents what type of information? Factual
Factual information.
information about a topic, and it is listed or it is written in logical order.
Order.
Okay.
Can
The
it be
authors of expository text. Can you write this, guys, in your notebook, please? Authors of expository text support their points with what? What do they use to support their point? With reasons
Works.
and evidence. Reasons
Reasons and
and
evidence.
evidence, okay? And somebody said that it includes
Photos and captions.
photos and captions, yes, but this week we're focusing more on diagrams. This week we're going to find diagrams in the text. It also has heading.
Sidebars. Does it have
Yeah.
sidebars?
Does it have sidebars? Usually, I'm not sure if there are sidebars in this week's text. Let me check. Yes, there is one sidebar. Yes. Okay, so it has headings, subheading. What's the difference between a heading and a subheading? Who knows?
A subheading talks about like a big thing, and the heading actually I
Okay.
don't know.
And then a subheading is,
Smaller.
okay, so say for example, I'm writing a biography and I'm writing about Rosa Parks, for example, okay? So in my writing, I can write, for example, as the heading, I can write personal life, right? So I can talk about Rosa's personal life. This is my heading. And under this heading, I can write a subheading titled childhood, right? Titled college days, titled, let's see, adult life. Okay, so all of these are, what?
I want to say that, but I didn't know how to say it.
Okay, yeah, I know that you understand. Okay, so it includes headings, subheadings, or headings and subheadings that organize the information. So why do we use headings and subheadings? To organize information.
Miss Hannah, what is
Yes?
the graph?
Yes. Again?
What is the graph? The graph
What graph?
and the skills.
What graph? I'm confused all day. What are you talking about? It has diagrams.
What?
It also has photographs and diagrams.
Yes.
And diagrams. These enable readers to visualize ideas and information in the text. Okay, what does visualize mean?
To think, to draw like a picture in your mind.
That's right.
Draw a picture in your
Make a
mind.
picture in your mind.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, so it helps you imagine what you are reading. Helps you see it.
Yes.
Okay. Does anybody have any questions about
doesn't have
expository text?
No, thank you.
Okay, did everybody write this in your notebooks?
Yes,
Yes?
I think.
Everybody finished? Can I move on? Okay, so the last thing we're going to do today is I'm going to give you your spelling words. One second, guys. Okay, so here are your spelling words for this week. This week we are,
Miss, can you please go back again?
okay, I asked you guys if you finished. So this week our spelling words are all about prefixes. All of these words have a prefix. Okay, I'm going to write them with you now. Done, Habiba?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so
Thank you.
number 1 is pre-wash. Number 2 is disable. Number 3, discolor. Number 4, mistaken. Number 5, preheats. Number 6, mistrust. Number 7, incorrect. Number 8, disconnect. Number 9, preview. Number 10, prejudge. Number 11, misjudge. Number 12, discomfort. Number 13, dismount. Number 14, misunderstand.
Miss, will you have a quiz about this word?
There will not be a quiz, but you have to complete the spelling sheet. Okay. Misunderstand, disobey.
They all have prefix.
Yeah, they all have prefixes.
They all, yes.
Number 16 is dishonest. Seventeen is injustice. 18, disapprove. 19, inexpensive. 20, indefinite. Okay, guys? The meeting will end soon. If you guys finished writing the spelling words, you can leave the meeting. Okay, let me know, guys, if you have any questions about the vocabulary words, about the spelling. And your homework for today is to write the definitions and sample, write the definitions and sample sentences for the vocabulary words, and I'm going to upload the spelling sheet for you today, but you have until Thursday to complete it. Okay?
So we have only one homework, yes?
Yes, today's homework is the definitions and sample sentences of the vocabulary, and I'm also going to upload the spelling for you.
Miss, it's okay if I did the spelling today?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Miss, I want to say something for you.
Sure.
I will not be able to join the session for Tuesday, sorry.
Okay.
Because I will be traveling.
Okay. All right, is everybody done?
Yes, almost.
Yes. No, yes.
Miss, after this session, what we will have?
After this session, do you want me to check the schedule for you?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, because Miss, we don't have the schedule today.
You don't have the new schedule? I think it's social. 1 second.
I see.
Yes, guys, in the next session you have
Social and French, yes.
wait 1 minute. This is the 6th session. Yes, you have social studies, and then you have French. Yes.
Miss Hanan, what time I
Yes.
will take my quiz?
I told you send me a message and we will find a time for you to take it. Okay. Same with you, Ziad.
Okay.
Is Ziad still here?
Yes, he is here.
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
Okay. All right, so send me a message and send me a message at the end of the school day because you still have 2 more sessions, okay? So after you finish
Okay.
them, send me a message and we'll see when you'll make up the quiz.
Okay, bye, Miss.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss. Thank you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.